Right, so welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing alright. We're back here camping. This time we're at Castle Howard, near Malton, where we're going to be setting up as new Coleman Cortes Octagon 8 tent, so stick around, stay tuned. Something's bound to happen. So I'll put you on time lapse. I've got two cameras showing, so there's two different angles, and then I'm hoping to get the 360 one up, which that'll probably be a separate video. Alright, cheers.
Like that.
Right, so for a tent that were advertised as 15 minutes, it's taken us up to now, what, 56 minutes? Right, so we've just finished setting up the Coleman Cortes Octagon 8-man tent, but looking at inside of it, what would you say, Donna, realistically?
Realistically, I'd say 4 at a push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 with some decent room.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you can cram 8 people in here, but you won't have any room for your gear or nothing.
But I think if we do like it, I think the extension, definitely need the extension to it.
Yeah, you can get like a front porch extension which comes out,
Yeah, it's quite big.
There, so you can sort of like sit under
So
the
this
cover.
is just for sleeping in, and that bit would be for like sort of chilling.
Yeah.
But I still want to go abroad.
Right, so shall we go get some water, Phoebes?
Yep.
Yes.
I'm off to Egypt.
Right, we'll see you when we get back then. Right, so we're all set up and the girls are playing tennis. So just wanted to show you around my little kitchen. So we've got us 2 stoves there. We're going to buy I've had this one for a while, but we're going to buy one of them big ones. But I thought for the price of it, it's 12 quid from Alfred's, and gas for 4 canisters, it's only a tenner, and that'll last you a while. So I thought I may as well just get another small one for the sake of paying out for a great big one, which we'll only use every now and again. Table, this is a 6-foot table. Home bargains £29.99. Home base, they're wanting 50 quid, so if you want yourself a bargain for a nice camping table, Home Bargains is your place to go. £29.99, brilliant bit of kit, I think. And then we've just got all this kitchen stuff, bit of snap over there, coffee, that. Donna photobombing me. And then we've got a cooler box under here and a few bags with food in and that. But yeah, a little kitchen area. My trusty little table.
Bullet.
Just the right size for Donna because she's only little. But yeah, we're at Castle Howard camping. We've gone for non-electrical hookup because we're only here for a couple of days. And it's warm anyway, it's give 20 odd degrees. I think 15 degrees through night, so it's not going to be too cold. So we went non-electric. But when we do come, if we do come camping and we do get electric, we've got these little blowers, heater blowers, what we use. We've got 2 of them, and they just work a treat. They do. But yeah, it's a nice spot. Not too crowded. And there's another field over there. There is supposed to be a lakeside view, but it's behind trees and it's a bit overgrown, so you can't see it. So the only thing I will say is that where the gate is over there, that's beyond that gate is just where water is. So it's a bit of a trek for water, and shower blocks and toilet blocks are a bit further past that. So if you're busting for lav and you ain't got a compostable toilet or any other toilet, it's a bit of a walk. But we chose to come this side of the field because it was a bit quieter, and there's quite a few caravans down the bottom. Overall, good place, recommend it. Right, we're off for a walk now, so we'll catch you in a bit.
You might scare them. Look like they're having a nap. Yeah, they twist the necks. Look at that, making the rubbish.
Right, so in front of us you've got Castle Howard. On that side, that's where our holiday homes are, which people live there as well. I think the plan is tomorrow we're either going to have a ride to Brid or Scarborough, maybe Whitby, which is only an hour away. I think we're going to go to Golfland as well, where our being filmed. Been there a few times, but I don't think Phoebe's ever been, so we're going to have a ride there. It thinks we've got food. You enjoying yourself, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You enjoying yourself,
Yeah.
Donna?
I still can't take it seriously. I still can't take it seriously. think we're going to get bit?
No, not with a super duper tent. There's Coleman Cortes Octagon 8.
You nearly swallowed a midge.
Did I?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's plenty of midges about, but they're not them biting ones, are they?
No, they don't seem to be biting, but they're attracted to you.
I know, they always are.
Get away.
People.
I don't know if you can see in here, but plenty of room. Phoebe's over there on a single.
Phoebe. Hi.
And we're on our double, but there's plenty of space in here. Easily could get 3 doubles along here, and whatever down there, but plenty of space.
It's cosy.
Just keep having geese flying above, don't we?
Yeah.
So we'll catch you at morning.
Night.
It's the right view, isn't it?
Stinks.
It smells, doesn't it?
Landscape. Your face as well.
I wonder if GoPro flattens this out. Oh, there's a chippy there.
Why, have you got it on?
Yeah. Think you'll manage it back up here?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Bloody away. What looks it, please? It's not long.
Hurry up, Donna.
Hello. You're just trying to make me fall, aren't you? So you've got it on camera.
You look like a bloke when you walk down steps.
Hey!
No, I'm joking.
Oh, the bird. Birds live in there.
Dinosaur museum.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, so this tunnel is normally underwater at Robin Hood's Bay. Let's go see how far we can get in. Can't see where I'm standing. Can't see where I'm standing. I can't see where I'm standing, it's too dark. I'm crawling. Does it go loads further?
Goes about another 10 yards or so.
Oh, is that it?
And then
No.
well, it seems to turn a sharp corner, but you can't walk anywhere else.
Ah, right. That's a bit boring. Isn't it? Oh, oh well.
But you can try it. There is a path that takes a sharp thing.
The road gets narrower and narrower as you get towards the corner.
All right. I'll let you go because I'll probably end up slipping.
It sounds like a York accent, does it?
Yeah, well, I'm from Selby.
Selby,
Yeah.
Wasn't far off.
No. Well, I'm not originally from Selby, like. I only got to end because it got too dark. You need the torch.